How to start a business in 90 days. Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. I'm so excited to share with you how you can generate more than 2 or 3K a month with an online business that you can run from anywhere and starting from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can launch your own online business in just 90 days. Even you don't have any special skills, a big budget or business network. It's not just possible, it's achievable, and I will guide you every step of the way. But before we jump in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment if you have any questions. Now, let's get started with the exact plan that could change your life in the next few minutes. Let me share a little bit about myself and why I'm passionate about helping you. Before starting my business, I worked as a social media manager. I worked with restaurants, hotels, and marketing agencies. My job was to grow their Instagram accounts, plan strategies, and manage their online presence. On the surface, it looked like I had it all figured out. A stable job, a clear career path, but inside I felt stuck. I wanted more. I wanted to build something of my own, something meaningful. And one day I hit a breaking point. I thought, why am I using all my energy to grow someone else's dream while my own dreams sit in the background? Or why not take all of this knowledge and effort to put in my own page? At first, it was a mess. I tried everything. Lots of trial and error, but eventually I started to see results. And when I say results, I mean big results. Was it easy? Not at all. I made a lot of mistakes in the beginning, testing strategies, failing and trying again. But after 2 months of consistency, I saw massive results. I grew my Instagram from 50k to 700k followers and replaced my 9-to-5 income with my business. For the first time, I felt truly in control of my life. I'm sharing this because I know what it feels like to doubt yourself, and if I could do it starting from that place of frustration and uncertainty, you can do it too. I remember sitting at my desk, feeling like my creativity was being trained day by day. I knew I was capable of so much more, but I didn't know where to start. Like many of you, I turned to social media for inspiration and tried every strategy I saw on my daily For You page. But nothing worked. I realized that I needed to create my own strategy that aligned with my goals and strengths. Transitioning from an employee to an entrepreneur taught me 2 big lessons. 1, consistency is everything. Even when I wasn't seeing immediately results, showing up every day created a momentum that eventually paid off. And second, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a part of the journey. Every mistake helped me to refine my strategy. Before we dive into the actionable steps, let's talk about your mindset. Starting a business isn't just about strategies or tools. It's about believing in yourself and staying consistent even things get tough. One belief I had to let go was, for example, I don't have enough experience to start. Instead of that, I started thinking every expert was once a beginner. So I have a quick exercise for you now. Write down one fear or limiting belief that's holding you back right now. And then write it as an empowering statement. For example, change, I will fail if I try to. Every step is a step towards success. Mindset work is an ongoing process, but it's the foundation of everything we will cover in this video. So if you're interested in exploring mindset strategies more deeply, let me know in the comments. I would love to create a video just for that. But today, let's focus on the concrete steps to build your business. Let's start with step 1, finding your business idea. One common mistake people make is thinking they need a groundbreaking or revolutionary idea. The truth is, you don't. There's room for everyone, even in markets that seem saturated. Finding a business idea can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. So, first of all, we are starting with a self-reflection. I want you now to ask yourself, what am I naturally good at? What do people often ask for my advice about? What problem have I solved for myself that others might be struggling with? Or what activities make me lose track of time? You can also ask your friends or family for input. They might notice strength you don't see, because sometimes others see our strength more clearly than we do. So just ask your friends or family, what do you think I'm really good at? If you could hire me for one thing, what would it be? You can use tools like ChatGPT, which can help you to brainstorm or refine your ideas. For example, you can input your strength and ask for business suggestions tailored to you. I want you now to check out Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or other platforms and look at people who are already doing the same or similar to your idea. AI tools like ChatGPT can be real game changers for you, because I want to show you now an example. I type, for example, I enjoy helping people organize their homes and I'm good with budgets. What business ideas can you suggest? And ChatGPT suggests this. For example, professional decluttering service or digital home organization courses. And I want you now to remember that your idea doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to excite you enough to keep going. And if you are worried about market saturation, here's the truth. Saturation means there's demand. And the key is to find a unique angle, your side of the story, your style, your perspective, so your USP. Now that you have an idea, it's time to validate it. Why? Because you don't want to spend months creating something no one wants. Validation ensures your idea and solves a real problem. So I want you now to go into Instagram communities where your target audience hangs out and look for questions they are asking and problems they are discussing, for example, in the comment sections. Then reach out to people who might benefit from your idea. Ask them questions like, what is your biggest frustration in niche X? Or what an ideal solution looked like for you. Another possibility for you is just offer survey templates. So here's, for example, a simple script you can use to reach them out in a DM. You can say, hey, I'm working on a solution for problem X. Could I ask you 3 questions to better understand your needs? One of my clients, for example, wanted to start a career coaching business. She offered 3 30-minute sessions to 5 people in her target audience. And not only she did get testimonials, but 3 of those people signed up for her paid program afterward. I want you to not just ask people if they like your idea, I want you to ask them if they would pay for it, because there's a small but critical difference. Not only will this help you to improve, but you will also start building credibility with testimonials and feedback. Consistency is the secret to building momentum in your business, and it is what sets successful businesses apart. Create content daily. Don't worry about being perfect, just focus on showing up, for example, with tips or tutorials related to your niche. You can share stories about your own journey or quick wins or results you've helped others to achieve. I have now some content strategy tips for you, not just for beginners, also for the advanced ones. Start with the 3 content pillars. Educational, teach your audience something valuable. Inspirational, share your journey or client success stories. And relatable, post everyday moments to connect on a personal level. I want you to engage with your audience. When someone comments on your post, don't just like it. Reply with a question. For example, thanks for sharing your thoughts. What is your biggest challenge with topic X? And ask your followers questions like, what's your biggest challenge right now? What kind of content would help you the most? So build relationship, treat your followers like friends and not like numbers. Celebrate their wins and listen to their struggles and make them feel seen. And of course, use your insights to see which posts perform best. Double down on the topics your audience resonates with most. So for this, use your Instagram insights to see which posts perform the best and double down on those topics while experimenting with new ideas. Then the transition to selling. Selling doesn't have to feel pushy or awkward. Maybe you ask yourself now, when it's the right time to sell? You don't need 1K followers to start selling. Even with 100 engaged followers, you can begin offering value. Soft selling. Start by sharing results from free trials or past experience, for example. Like, this client went from feeling stuck to making her first 1K in just 1 month. Highlight on the transformation. Focus on what your service will help them to achieve and not just the features. So instead of saying, hey, 3 coaching sessions, say you will feel confident, clear, and ready to take action every day. Now, how to sell without feeling pushy. I want to show you now how to naturally weave offers into conversations. For example, if someone asks you in your DMs, how did you grow your Instagram so quickly? Don't respond with, that's actually what I teach in my program. Let me know if you would like to have more information. Ask open questions. Ask them about their challenges right now. Ask them about their struggles right now, so you get to know them better. Then you can also create urgency without pressure. Offer early bird discounts or bonuses for those who join your program in the first week, like an extra coaching session or exclusive templates. When it comes to the selling, after the first DMs, you got the first 10-minute call and you get to talk about them, about their struggles, about their obstacles, and you scheduled an appointment for the big call where you not just talk about the offer, about their struggles, about their objectives, about their desires. You also talk about the price of the offer. And I want you now to dive quickly deep into how to handle price objections with empathy. And I want to show you now how to overcome price objections with empathy. If someone hesitates or if someone says it's too expensive, you can just respond like, I completely understand investing in yourself can feel scary, but if you are ready, I would love to guide you every step of the way. Does this sound like a plan for you? Or I understand the price can feel like a barrier. Think of it as an investment in your future. If you're ready to take the next step, I will be here to guide you. Are you in? So, if you follow these steps, you will have a profitable business in just 90 days. Let me know in the comments what resonates with you the most, or if you have any questions about any steps, or if you would like to have a separate video to any step of this plan. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it now. I can't wait to see what you will achieve. Now that you have a clear action plan for your business, it's time to take action. I've created an exclusive resource for you, a step-by-step guide to turn your idea into a profitable business in less than 90 days. Just click the link in the description to get a free access to this guide and start building your success today.